Hey, are you planning a corporate party, a baby shower, perhaps a wedding? Well, come with me to take a tour of the fields. Ooh, take a look at the inside. Here's your lobby. And as we walk through, look at this beautiful open space. And look at the stage. Off to the left, there's a room. It's a great room for groomsmen to get ready with the husband-to-be. Look at that, a little sink, place to hang your clothes. And over here we have is that a bar? I wonder if the ladies have their own bar in their own room. No, I don't see a bar. But what's cute is that you have this little vanity space. Let me just throw on a little makeup here as I finish my tour. Mwah. Oh wait, I found my minibar. Oh, and back in the open space, we see these doors sliding open into what? Another room. Oh, what's over here? Is that a kitchen back there? It's like magic, y'all. Just imagine impressing all your guests with this beautiful space for dining, dancing, and a little cocktail hour. Oh, hey, there's Leah, the owner of the venue in the back. And the bar. Take a look at the bar. A lot of space for your own bartender to come in, a place for ice, a place for glasses, a place for people to line up. Ooh, oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this space. It is so easy to fall in love with the fields, y'all. I've seen all I need to see. This might be the place. I highly suggest you all come and visit Marion, Arkansas to check out the fields for your next major event.